third position is Bright.
Very artistic.
One of the same versions. Time check, 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Mr. Philip wearing the bartender costume. May points pa costume? Wala. Mayroon. Nice. Nasa look daw yan.
Time check, 4 minutes, 58 seconds.
Okay, preparing for the next move. Are we ready? One bottle, one tin, that's white, and shadow pass. One more time. Alright, then reverse up with side spin, then sugar. And another for Mr. Philip. Reverse drop. Side spin. Nice shoot, and then shot. Ice lang yan. Kung nasa ibang space.
Ganyan po talaga, with five.
Ito yung tawag na showmanship.
Sino? Sino ang professor mo sa bar?
Actually, sinasadya yun eh. Pag talaga yung strike, naman. Ganun nga diba?
Now you know.
Sino ang nagturo na kalugin ng slide?
7-11.
Nice one, Mr. Philip Lua, second gear. Yes, it's our end. Second gear pa lang yan.
Yup, kamusta?
Okay, time check, time out.
Kamusta?
Okay, you're a